Hello and welcome to our 1 year backpacking series. I'm Brooke and we are 3 months into our year-long trip around the world. We are currently in Colombia and just arrived in Cartagena. We have so many nice plans whilst we're here, so I'm going to bring you along with us to give you some inspiration for your next trip. Each time we arrive at a new destination, we always do our best to book onto a free walking tour. I find it's the best way to get local recommendations and to get to know the area. So today we have booked onto a 2.5-hour tour of Cartagena. I probably won't get to speak to the camera much because I don't want to be rude whilst the guide's giving us the tour, but I'll bring you along with us anyway so you can see the area yourself. Just come for dinner at sunset. This place has loads of different food trucks and also like cocktails and bar area. Good morning, we're going on the Catamaran trip around the Rosario Islands today with Get Your Guide. It's our first boat trip in Colombia, so we're really excited. We're just having some breakfast in the hostel, then we're going to head down to the port. I actually haven't worn this swimsuit yet before, but I think it's quite cute for a boat trip. I've also brought my bikini with me in case I want a tan. Good job we got here early because there's so many different queues for different boat trips. So I managed to be first on the boat, so I thought I'd give you a little tour. It's so nice. As soon as we got on the boat, it just started lashing it down. This is Colombian weather. It's finally stopped raining, so we've come to the back of the boat where we're set up on the bed. It could definitely do with brightening up a little bit more, but it's better than when we started. So in with your ticket, you get an open bar for the full day. It's not alcoholic, but I've just had like a homemade lemonade. This has gone for a Coke Zero, and then they've given us a morning snack, which is homemade empanadas, and then you get lunch as well a bit later on. Hello, today was going to be a chill day, but at the end of our walking tour the other day, our guide told us about a really good cooking class here. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll know that we absolutely love a cooking class and have done them all over Asia and South America. This one was only £28, which for as far as cooking classes go, is quite cheap. We're going to head there this afternoon and I'll bring you along with us. So it's at Life is Good hostel. We've just got here and he's going to get us a welcome drink whilst we wait.
Doesn't it? Yeah.
Frying the plantain now. Sassy Bass. That is so good. The cooking class also includes a glass of wine each or a beer and also dessert. We've had quite a chill day today. We went into the shopping centre this morning and we're now about to go on a cruise around Cartagena Bay. It's at sunset and it has bottomless rum punch and rum and coke. I think we'll probably end up going on a night out after, so I'll bring you along with us. So we've not really eaten today, so we thought we should get something before we go drinking on the boat. This place was recommended to us by our walking tour and there's these pastries. What were they called? Pan de bono. Pan de bono. So I'll let you know if they're any good. So we're at the port now, just waiting to get on the boat. At the moment we're the only people waiting for our boat, so it would be so cool if we had the whole thing to ourselves. We've just boarded the boat and at the moment we're the only people on the bottom floor. We're sat right in front of the bar and we've got the front of the boat just to the right of us.
£10,000.
10,000
You know what
for
10,000 is?
£2.
£2.